Hey, today we are going to do a full validation for a device from Infineon. We're gonna download the datasheet of this device and do the validation in seconds using TestFlow AI. If you have any similar device and you need to validate it on your bench, TestFlow will help you to do the validation in seconds. Simply, I will open the TestFlow application and sign in. I will give the AI my requests. For example, I need to validate the attached device. Give me the validation plan. Before I do that, I need to check the instruments I have on the bench. So I have to configure the instruments to match what I have on my bench. I have these instruments and I can add more or reconfigure any of them. Once the validation plan got generated and you're happy with it, you can ask the AI to create the entire workflow for you. Cool, so now create the validation workflow for the first test, for example, the efficiency test. So now the AI is creating the entire workflow for me. It creates the script to be executed, the wiring, which is the schematic for the bench, and the flowchart of the test, so you can have a full overview of what is going on during the test is running. Now I have everything in one place. For the same example, let's add more steps to the same test. For example, I have here an oscilloscope, so I will do the following. Add steps for the oscilloscope to capture the image and to measure the input voltage at channel 1, the output voltage at channel 3, and the load at channel 2 with a good scale for each channel. Now the AI has created the workflow and updated with the steps I need. So let's execute it. So now the test is running. Let's wait until the test is completed and come back. Welcome back after the test completion. Let's see the data which saved locally to my PC.
Let's see the results saved to my local PC. I see here the libraries, the script, and everything. In the output, I can see the output running. You can see the measurements got saved in a CSV file and the log of the test plus all the oscilloscope screen capture.
That's it. Thanks for watching.